back. It's our Vegan is Fork channel. Welcome.
Not Fork channel.
Yes, Lucy. Yes.
I said not Spork channel.
Well, yes, it's another dreaded. This is what I ate today as a vegan.
Why is it dreaded?
I don't know. Are people done with the this is what I ate today's or what?
I don't know, but I'm eating the same thing that I've been eating for a long time.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, it's oatmeal with almond milk and peanut butter and strawberries.
That's delicious.
Honestly, I don't get sick of it. I crave it.
You couldn't pay me to eat that.
I could eat this like all day.
I can't eat it. I can't. The only way I could do oatmeal is in oat milk or in like oatmeal cookies. Yeah. So I'm having something new.
Oh.
It's still toast, but it's homemade sourdough bread. Yeah, we got a recipe for it on the Vegan is Fork channel. Imagine that. Cross plug.
Wait, come back.
So I'm just having it with some beautiful plant butter with almond oil.
Wow.
Oh, it's wet. Fun fact, almond oil is okay for me to eat, even though I can't eat tree nuts. I don't know why. Or maybe it does affect me, but it's not enough for me to notice, but I can't eat tree nuts. I'm not allergic to them because they don't give me like symptoms that are like respiratory, I guess. But I have a food intolerance. Very important. There's a huge difference between a food intolerance and a food allergy. So I can't eat tree nuts. But the almond oil does not seem to bother me. And the great thing about sourdough, for a while there, I thought I was having a gluten issue. I know a lot of people have come back to the channel after not watching for a while. And by a lot, I mean a couple. And said, hey, I thought you were gluten-free. I was for a couple of months, but I found that the issue that I had with gluten was with only one brand of bread and and only one variety within that brand. So I've started introducing gluten back into my diet and it's been going okay. But I have done a lot of reading about sourdough bread and that if you have a problem digesting gluten or you have a problem with gluten, not what's the name of the disease where you can't have, if you have celiac, no, I'm not talking about you. You can't have gluten, forget it. But if you have issues digesting gluten and not celiac, sourdough is really good for you because the bacteria in the sourdough starter, it kind of like pre-digests the gluten in the wheat. It breaks it down a little bit and it's easier for you to digest. So I'm finding that to be true and nice and wonderful. So enough about that. Here's breakfast along with some beautiful coffee with oat milk. Oh. Yes, you see the camera out. I thought he was going to get a drink, but he faked me out.
Aww.
Oh, what a good boy. I gotta order him a new bed today because he's such a good boy. He's such a big boy too. He's like spilling out of his bed.
Oh,
anyway, we're having some fresh hummus. Well, I am. She tasted it.
Yeah, I'm not eating it right now because I'm gonna exercise.
We'll probably have it later though, right?
Yeah, I'll probably have it for snack later.
We just made this. It's probably the video before this one. No, it's 2 videos before this one. It's delicious. It's just a basic hummus recipe. And you could pretty much do whatever you want to it, but boy, is it good. I'm totally massacring the top here right now. Sean, you want some of this? Yeah. We're having it on some nice flax crackers from Foods Alive. Totally not sponsored. They just sent it to us and they are delicious. And it goes great with hummus. Snack time.
Right, I just worked out and I did strength today, which I need to do more of because I kind of fell into this pattern. I don't know if you can even call it a pattern, but I was basically only doing cardio for like a while and I need to...
Were you crying your ears out? Crying your eyes
Crying
out?
my ears out? No. No, but my arms, oh my god, my arms are so tired now. I did like a full body thing.
Yeah.
But I haven't done arm stuff in a really long time, so.
Sean's going through it right now.
I hear that. But yeah, it felt really good. It's gonna be a sore day or two, but it felt really good, and I'm definitely gonna do that.
All right,
more.
Sean, please. My goodness.
Please, buddy.
He was so excited. He got his package from eBay today.
Yes, but this is about food. So, so I'm gonna have one of these Orgain protein snack bars. I haven't
tried those yet.
Are you kidding me? They're
No,
so good.
I haven't tried them.
They're so good. So this is the peanut butter chocolate chunk. If it focuses, come on, yes. And it's so good. 10 grams of protein, not a ton of sugar for something like this. Let me see.
My only issue with those is that they're expensive.
Yeah, they are pretty expensive.
They're like $18 a case of
Ah!
like 12. Is it 12?
I'm not sure, but
I don't
it's
know.
a little ridiculous price-wise.
Or
But yeah, it's
16,
only
like
5 grams of sugar.
When they're on sale for 14 though,
Snatch them up.
multiple- Yeah, get snatched.
Yeah, I was listening to the Young Frankenstein musical cast recording.
This is about food. It's not about music.
Yeah, that was part of my exercise,
Oh,
which is
okay.
part of the food.
All right.
So it was really cracking me up. It was hilarious. So yeah, I'm gonna go eat this and then we'll be back for lunch. Lunchtime.
Yeah.
What the actual F is going on here?
It's like a.
Oh, I thought you were stacking these.
Oh no. One is for Sean. One is for me.
Mm-hmm.
That's up for grabs. Maybe I'll split that with him.
Okay. Very nice. So you're having some Gardein tenders with
Right.
homemade sourdough.
Sourdough, baby, and homemade sourdough
Croutons.
panzanella.
Yeah.
Yeah.
In a beautiful Greek salad.
That was really good last night.
Yeah, it is. And I'm having some with my pizza from last night.
You know
This is
what we
also
are?
a sourdough crust.
We're the leftover queens. We
are.
We really believe in eating all of your leftovers.
I live for leftovers.
I always
Right?
make a ton of food
Oh.
because I always want to have leftovers. I always want to have it the next day.
Yeah. So on this pizza, I told you guys we have the sourdough crust. We've got the breaded eggplant, which is so good.
Whoa, smiles!
Yeah. Which cheese is this?
That is the Dea sliced provolone.
Yum. And what kind of sauce did you use?
Paisana.
Mm.
Guys, this is the greatest sauce in the entire world. I love this sauce. The ingredient list is so clean. This is like a $7 sauce at the supermarket. I wait until it goes on sale for $1.99
Nice.
or $2.50 a jar, and I buy like 10 to 12 at a time and chuck it in the basement.
Well, don't chuck it because it's
I
glass.
placed it in the basement. I know. I just bought him a 52-inch bed. Oh my god. It's bigger than this table. I didn't even realize
boy.
until just now.
Oh, you're large.
This is the best. $1.99. Wait for it to go on sale. Get an S ton of them. And we have the Dominex eggplant
Yes.
on the top, which is one of the only breaded eggplants that is actually vegan.
Yay.
Thank you. My sourdough is finally coming alive here. I can make some bread this afternoon.
Excellent.
Because this is all we got left.
Mm-hmm.
And we're going shopping after this, but I'm not going to buy bread because I just bought a 50-pound bag of King Arthur flour that is coming FedEx this week. Guys, don't buy your
A lot
flour.
of flour.
Don't buy your flour from Amazon. The very same flour was $80 on Amazon. I got it for $29 at a restaurant supply, and it's coming here sooner than Amazon. I don't know how Amazon can say they're against pandemic, like gouging, whatever, because that flour should not be $80. It should not be $80. A lot of things on Amazon are inflated right now. Shop around. I wouldn't have even thought to go to a restaurant supply company unless somebody had recommended it in the comments of the the reviews. Also, read your reviews on Amazon. Thank me later. All right, so it's dinner time now, and here is the sweet and sour stir fry. Somebody's loading up over there.
Gorgeous.
Thank you.
Smells so good.
Oh, thank you. Because it is good. It's everything that's good for you, daughter.
Yeah.
All right, so we got some basmati rice under there, some overripe pineapple, some mushrooms, carrots, red peppers, sweet Vidalia onion, garlic, soy curls. It's a real winner.
Yeah.
With
I
this
think I'm gonna even put some peanuts on mine.
peanuts. What? I'm not in the mood for peanuts, but you enjoy.
I will. Thank you.
Oh, it's so good. Everybody's tanking up.
Enjoy. We made it through another day, and to reward ourselves, it's time for dessert.
We should have had this yesterday.
Yeah, we meant to have this yesterday. We have these cupcakes to celebrate Granny's 90th birthday. She has already judged them. She said they were delicious. She could not stop talking about it on the phone today, so I'm glad. Yeah, I'm glad she really enjoyed them.
Yeah.
So now we're gonna enjoy them too.
I'm making some sourdough that's going to proof in the refrigerator overnight. So I'm excited for that. This is the first time I'm doing an overnight one.
Should be
I hope I
fun.
don't F the whole thing up. This does not want to cling on here at all.
Yeah.
Well, that's disappointing. I'm going to have to get a rubber band, put it on there.
Okay. So what? Where did you get the recipe for these? It's a vanilla cake.
It's vanilla.
And then the icing you actually made
Right.
a while ago.
Yeah, that's been in the fridge for a while. So, yeah.
That's left over from, wasn't that for the crazy cake?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is the icing from the crazy cake.
Well, I hope this rubber band doesn't bust. It's a little stretching it.
Okay, well, we're gonna go. So that's what we ate today. Thank you so much for joining us. Hope you all had some good
I hope
food
you
too.
enjoyed it.
Yeah, and we hope you're all staying safe and healthy.
If we didn't have the popcorn, if we didn't have the cupcakes tonight, I was gonna make some air pop popcorn and spray it with pickle juice.
Whoa.
I know, right?
Well, another night.
Yeah, we're gonna have to save that for another night. But thanks for watching, guys. It's a little busy here right now. There's like a lot of moving parts going on, but we do appreciate you, and thanks for subscribing if you did. And until next time, much love.